everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda. Today's video is just a quick show and tell really of this poncho that I did. Dana from Triple C, which is Creatively Created Crochet, and Ursula from OM Granny Square set up this challenge to do one of Ursula's ponchos, which is called the Ice Blue Summer Poncho. I've done it in this beautiful raspberry colour. Well, I think it's raspberry. It might not be. Maybe you can tell me what colour you think it is. Anyway, I just want to show you the yarn that I used. I used this yarn, and this is the yarn that I got from my local local yarn shop here in the UK called Black Sheep Wools, and it was in their discount basket, and I only paid £1, and I bought 10 of them. Now for this poncho I only used 6 50-gram balls, so that is 300 grams, and you start off with the granny squares and you join them together, and I put 8. I've done 8, so I've got 3 in the front, 3 in the back, and 1 on each shoulder. Then I did the picot edge, and then I did the body of the poncho. And I like my ponchos on my elbows because it's easier, especially when I'm crocheting. It's just easier for me to work with, and this is the length, and I'm really pleased with how it's come out. As you can see, it's come out quite nice, and I'll just stand up a bit closer so you can see the pattern. And yeah, so this is my my entry into the challenge set by Dana and Ursula. I will put pictures at the end of this video so you can actually see as still photos. And I just want to say thank you to Dana and Ursula for setting the challenge. I know it's not blue, but I'm not really a blue person. I'm more of a purple. And I do like different shades of pink, but that's by the by. I got this yarn. It is cotton, and you know that cotton is my absolute favourite yarn to use. So that's all from me. Just a quick recap on sharing this this poncho that I made for the challenge. Wish me good luck. Catch you all later. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, click that subscribe button and the little bell icon. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.